Canada Tortoise Capital, April 13th, 2026. Market daily visualization. So let's get her adjusted. Sliding the days move over, adjusting the auto entry long, auto entry short, adjusting the price, shifting the days 2 through 5, 1 through 10, adjusting the two stops, the 30-day PSAR, the RL10 PSAR. This remains in place. We adjust the 10-day straight regression line. We're going to adjust his anchor point. So it's almost like a shot group. You can see where the support levels are, where everything is anchored from the base. Adjusting the regression line day minus 30 to day minus 11, adjusting the 30-day, adjusting the 150 regression line and the 150 range. So now we'll adjust the SMA 30. That's starting to flatten out a little bit. So here, does that look right? Yep. Almost perfectly flat now. Interesting. We're going to adjust that. There we go. I want to get that precise. There we are. Right on the money, and adjust that to price. We're going to give it another line for the 30-day high. If we break out from that, that's going to be that will be a buy signal. Getting her lined up. All right, that looks good. Let's look at the zoom out to the 150. Yep. Look how far that rebound has occurred. Pretty amazing. Volatile times. This has not been good swing trading territory, unless you had the fortitude to be in down here. Some of our mechanical signals fired down there, and if I'm being honest, I couldn't take all of them. An overactive imagination. All right, let's look at the 30-day. See what we can see, or 30-minute chart. See what we can see. Looking all straightforward. Yep. We're ready for tomorrow.